hello, everyone. Welcome in. Sorry for the little wait there. I had some issues there with my setup, but it all works now. Yo, but I hope you're all doing wonderful today on this Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? It is Tuesday. Ah, thank you for the kisses. Thank you for the pets. Mwah. Yo, I had to change the coffee. To be honest, I was also making a coffee. Ah, thank you for the sippy, Tullius. But that just happened in the background, you know. The coffee was in the making. Also, all the best for your experiments, Tullius. I won't see anything more. Also, thank you, Cuperty, for the stretch. Let me say hello to everyone who is here. I see top from the list here. I see Anbigo peeking in. Oh my goodness. I see Hitachi Johnson. Yo, lovely to see you here. JP Wolfang, good to see you. I also see Ray Abadabadababa. Hello, Ray. Good to see you. Always good to see you. Then we have Lena. Time to be fruity. Oh yes, let's be fruity today. Oh my goodness. No more fruity. It's no longer Pride Month. No, it's Pride Wrath or Wrath Month, right? Oh, so I see Cupid here. Lovely to see you. Sanyo as well. I hope you are not melting, although you are a good Dirk, so I guess that's probably fine. And Dirk time. Yes, it is Dirk time. Also, Lena, congratulations on your thesis. I'm so glad that you can finally like finish the chapter of the university for you. Really proud of you, honestly. I know how hard that is and how hard it was for you. So, big squeeze, big for you. But yes, Tullius, it's in the progress. I see. Good to see you. Daftwing, yo, I love that emoticon for every time.
Brick61 Peak.
Oh, yo, Norek, thank you for the resub. Welcome in, peeking in here. And peek is actually a good point, because we're gonna peek a little bit on some new art that I have gotten. But I think most of you have already seen it, probably. And we'll just quickly pull it up here. My goodness. Need to actually save it so I can show it. Let's see, where did I put it? I put it right here, because I got some new stickers by the lovely Yearn. I can really recommend checking out Yearn whenever they open commissions, but you gotta be fast, because they are very loved and really gone fast. And I was just so happy to get 5 of those mini stickers, 5 more that I was just hoping to get, and I'm so happy with them. I got the point pog, I got the little peak that is just adorable. I love the heart one. It have, if you look closely, it even has like a little iridescent like a little rainbow shine to it, and a nice little detail. Although it's hard to see because the chat boxes are in the way currently. Can I quickly remove them? Yeah, there we go. See all these lovely mini stickers. We have the GIP. I already heard a certain silly bet absolutely loves this one. I wonder why. And the fire one is just super cool. I love how like violent and dangerous the flame looks there. So yeah, better not make me angry. Better not steal my coffee. Otherwise, it's gonna be dangerous. In danger of being cuddled, drowned in fluff. Yo, Ah, Dakota, lovely to see you. Artie as well, good to see you. How you are doing lovely. Would feel happy or relieved, but the end was so anticlimactic that I'm just staring into the wall thinking, so what now? Yeah, it takes a little while. You wouldn't like immediately go out there like in a movie and go make a fist bump into the air and goes like yes, and then go party for 3 days. I think it was similar for me as well. It was like all the stress like dropping off your shoulders slowly, and then you really need to find yourself again. Like after all this work, I mean, you still have like a job and everything going on as well, but still like you are finding like back a little bit to yourself, having like room to breathe, something you need to get used to again. Although I can also imagine with like Spain having 46 degrees Celsius or something, that's also not easy. It's crazy currently. Yo! But yes, it's mini stickers and emotes, basically, Sanyo. It's mini stickers, but honestly, they just make good emotes as well. I can't really say, but yes, Jörn does always great art. I love them. But yes, Jörn has like normal stickers and mini stickers. Yes. You can get anything with that GIP sticker. Let's go! How about GIP coffee? GIP hack? GIP pets? Ah. I can't possibly imagine Brixie be that angry. Yeah. Honestly, not usually my thing. But I am a very dangerous Dirk, you know. Always gotta be on the lookout for this very, very ferocious creature. No, not the pets. Oh. Already stole all the coffee? No! Also, Nathaniel, good to see you. Good to see you. Yeah, they are posted on the Discord as well if you just missed them. Dead Meat, good to see you. Kage. Oh my goodness, there are so many of you. I need to catch up with chat. With the chat boxes here. Oh my goodness. I probably would like... Ah, lovely to see you. It's 27 degrees Celsius here and I'm dying. How about 37 degrees? No, it's always silly like comparing like temperatures in this situation because everyone feels like different and humidity is like not the same everywhere. So if it feels hot, it feels hot. So I get that, and yeah, I hope you stay hydrated and you stay cool. Do have to get some of those next time. Sanyo mini stickers. Oh, I would love to see those. I wonder if like Jörn can draw like a, I don't know, Jörn bucket sticker or some Jörn buckets, Sanyo bucket sticker or something. Although you already have a really good one of that. Maybe a Sanyo, I don't know, puddle. Just no soup. I guess no soup. Also, thank you for the stretch, and Kizu, welcome in. The background that Jörn made is awesome. It is. It goes like rah, 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 rah. It's really good. And yeah, glad you got some as well, Norik. I saw afterwards as well that you grabbed some from Jörn. Turned on my fan, wondering why I can't feel. You forgot to plug it in. No, I blame the heat, Sanyo. It's all right. It's all right. All right. This tea isn't having any effect on me. Oh no, it's the tea making you addicted. You don't even notice. It's incredible basic, but it's good enough. I think it's very cute. Yo, some peak, some woohoo, and Yeah, the Woo is just like one of my favorites, and I'm really happy with the Tiny Heart one now as well, because I always wanted to, like, if I post, like, see a post I like, I usually like post a heart underneath, and now I have like my own signature with the cute heart emote and the little blab. Loved my dragon breath. Ah, thank you, thank you. Oh, you mean the flame breath, not the coffee breath. Oh. Ah, I get that. Ah. But the bucket fell over and Sanyo spilled. No, we need to gather the Sanyo again. Put them back in the bucket. I have like this cup of coffee here, the Dragon TF coffee, like in one of my recent artworks. No, not my artwork, like recent commissions. Oh, I'm also still in the heat. It was drawn by Cass, by Hybrid Kane, of course. But yeah, got that Dragon Bean coffee there. And yeah, I was just like uploading yesterday all the backlog I had from art on FA. And I think like 60% or something of the favorites or something I got, people really liked that one. Yes, I think like furries in general, they like transformation art, and I mean me too. That's why I got it. Also Picati, yo, good to see you. How are you doing, Picati, today? Oh, I love the gay flame too. Oh, that is great. We do love TF. The bottom of the pot, oh, is insanely strong. Ooh, are you feeling the transformation? TF2. Oh my god, TF2. Yes. If I was a coffee, what flavor would I? It would be a very sweet one. Like sweet coffee. Ah. I don't know, maybe like some latte with like the little heart on it, or can you draw a bat in it? I don't know. Ah. I would sip all of you. Oh, okay, that sounded wrong. Let's go back on that. But I will have that sippy. Papa. Nah, but I hope you're all doing lovely today. How was the start of your week actually? I know it has been pretty hot in most places, but thankfully it seems like at least in Austria the peak will be on Thursday. Tail. Oh, that's also a good point. Gotta talk about my tail. But yeah, it seems like Thursday will be like the hottest day, and then it will cool down thankfully again, like even go down until like down to 22 degrees Celsius over here. So a little bit of cool down. It's gonna be nice. But yeah, speaking of tails, I have been working on a new one for my fursuit, one that is like maybe half the size, because I need a tail, to be honest, that doesn't like work out my hips that much, where I need like 2 belts to carry it around. The big tail is amazing and I love it, but it is really, really hard to move around with it, and it also tends to like always tilt to one side, and I wanted like an easier one. I can still put on the other one as well, but like this one, it's gonna be like a simpler one, like some ideas built in that I had for the previous one that I couldn't make work. And yeah, it's gonna be much lighter and also much easier to actually put in a suitcase. Should very easily fit now. So maybe I don't need 2 suitcases all the time anymore. But we will see. The beans are still a big problem because they are so gigantic. start of the week was a bit colder than today. Had to do my defense on shorts anyways. I hope they didn't mind that. Oh my god. I think I had to do my defense in like what do you call it? Yeah, you know, like the sacco, the fancy shirt, the long trousers. Yeah, like I had to wear some fancy stuff for that. And it was weird. The price you have to pay for the big fat tail. Oh yes, worth it, totally worth it. And I will still make one day an even bigger tail, but that's gonna be like a completely soft cuddle tail. That's also gonna like track on the floor, but it's gonna be an inside tail for, I don't know, cuddles. If you need the tail pillow, that is. Luckily, your uni has a very casual and relaxed dress code. Yo! Ah, that is nice. That is nice. That's pretty cool of them. Long floor tracker for cuddles? Yes! I will need lots of filling for that. Lots of polyfill or foam. Not sure what is better there. But yeah, totally worth it, I think. I still have so much fluff left, to be honest. I don't know what to do with it. So a tail would probably be the best. Still waiting for you to open commissions for cuddle tails. Yeah, I unfortunately won't be a professional fursuit maker, because it's gonna stay a hobby for me. It's really hard to do something like that here in Austria without like having to pay insane taxes, and I think you can't even do it without like having some kind of going to some kind of uni. And before I would like even consider something, I would probably have a talk about that whole thing with a certain someone here in chat. But currently I'm not thinking about that, which doesn't mean that I won't do projects for other people. So uni for fursuit making. It is like a law that you have to like be proficient in your stuff that you do if you do it on your own, self-employed. And there are like some gaps where you can just say, okay, no, I'm doing this on my own without any uni experience or any professional experience. But some of them, like, I don't know how it works. You need to actually have like some kind of degree in what you do. But yeah, I'm not planning to do it professionally, but I want to keep doing it as a hobby. And it doesn't mean that I like would ever not think about like working on like other people's things as well, just for fun, because I'm also very slow, so I wouldn't like any kind of pressure that way. And instead, the only thing I would like maybe think about like making or something would be like little plush thingies, like the wing plushies that I did a while ago, or little plush beans or something, but I'm not sure if I would even consider selling those. I've been using furry emotes for so long that it feels so weird to use a regular Twitch emote. Yes. Ah, yeah, it's a shame that you don't have like furry emotes at work. Also, White Lurker, good to see you. Good to see you. I hope you are doing lovely on this Tuesday. And Yarn, yo, Yarn, good to see you. I was just showing off your work. Let's show it again. Here is the amazing artist that drew these lovely stickers. Thank you so much again, Yarn. I really, really love them. And I love the background too, going rawr, rawr, rawr. I have a title for being a professional dragon? Of course. That's why I went to dragon school. That's where you learn all these roars and the flame breath. you know. Although it is kind of funny though. Here in Austria, as soon as you get like some kind of degree, like a bachelor, you actually are like considered proficient enough to run a restaurant. You don't need to have any experience in cooking, but because you studied something, you are actually allowed to be considered smart enough to run a restaurant and are allowed to like cook food and sell it to people. It's wild. It's wild. Let me get my, I don't know, my computer science degree and make you all burgers, because that's what IT people love. I don't know. Melting. Oh no, you're melting too. Professional Rara. Yes. Ah, but yeah, can't wait to work more on the tail, on the wings, on everything for the fursuit as well. But thank you for the ice cream there, that meat. Just fire plenty of chrome tops. Yeah, that works. That works, Picati, yeah. Yeah, I haven't been able to work like in the last week a lot at fursuit projects or like any other kinds of projects, because stuff has been happening in my life in the background. I had just had the landlord over for my place, for example, because there's like water damage in my wall. And I was like, this is not okay. Can we fix that? And he was like, I have no idea what to do. And I had to explain to him like, yeah, you need to like get a plumber, someone who like fix it. And I don't know if they can do anything. So it was like a little bit of work to get him towards like actually calling people, and he's on it now. Slow, welcome in, welcome in. Let's gay. Yo, and Weiston, good to see you. Lovely to see you. And Johnny, oh my goodness. So many cuties here. Giving you all a big smooch. Mwah. Yeah, it's just landlord things. There was also like the ventilation broken for me in the bathroom. And yeah, he like came over, he looked at the manual, and there's like this tiny little hatch or something you need to open, and there's like a filter or something inside, and he didn't immediately see it, so he was getting ready to deconstruct the whole thing, the whole ventilation system. And I was like while he was getting down to like get the screwdriver and everything, I like stepped up on the ladder and was like, wait, isn't it this tiny thing here? Pulled it out easily, and he was like, oh yeah, whoops. No, I'm so glad I saw it. Yeah, it turns out just a little thing broken. I got some duct tape, I fixed it then myself, so it works for now. Congrats again to Laner here. Also, speaking from experience, the good thing to do would be to have a dehumidifier run to get the moisture out of the wall. I mean, I do have that kinda with the AC running. But the problem is, if there's more and more water coming all the time, then it's hard to get it out of the wall, because there is apparently like a leaking pipe. But yeah, need to figure that out. The Sherlock bricks, no. You're gonna make me giggle again, Weiston. Just so you know, everyone, Weiston is he has a talent of making very, very, very silly photo collages, like photos. Like true, like put together some photos of like me in the fursuit with like a detective hat with a pipe and trying to figure out the broken ventilation system, and that is totally not covered up totally in white fluff.
Servus.
Ganz genau, Sherlock Brixie. Und dann, genau, dann hast du mich vors Gericht gezahlt. Du wolltest mich österreichisch sprechen hören? Ja, na das haben wir da jetzt. Jetzt rede ich ein bisschen auf österreichisch daher. Und, Lena, du bist so süß. Aber ja, das mit dem Vermieter, das ist halt so eine Sache. Da muss man einfach Geduld haben und schauen, dass er keinen Blödsinn anstellt. Weil das letzte Mal, wie ich ihn habe machen Sachen lassen, war meine Küche unter Wasser. Und durfte ich dann einfach selber Hand anlegen und das reparieren. Hat dann auch funktioniert. Pebbles! Schön, dich zu sehen. Aber ja, was machen wir denn überhaupt heute? Was machen wir? Warum sind wir alle hier? Warum sind wir alle hier? Ja, es gibt ein paar Streams. Es gibt ein paar Spiele zum Spielen. Und das erste Spiel, was wir diese Woche haben, ist jetzt keine Überraschung, ist praktisch die gleiche Schedule wie last week. But, yeah, here we go, here we go. We have some Fruit Buzz coming up today again. Might be the final stream, who knows. I know we have like one big quest or two big quests that we need to solve. One of them, like the biggest one, is to get like the food critic, like get them their food, like drive to all the locations, but at least we know what to do there. The other harder one is to like get that party going. But yeah, we will see. We will see. But yeah, I'm really looking forward for Friday though, because we're gonna continue 6 legends there. So thank you, Cupid, for the stretch. No, I'm not cute. You are. But yeah, we are gonna continue 6 legends, and I'm super hyped for it. Also, sorry for mentioning that in the announcements there last week. I know some of you are like super excited about that game, and it is amazing. But some people were so like excited that they told me some stuff that I didn't want to hear, because I like to play games like completely spoiler free. And it's alright, it's alright. I know you're excited. You didn't spoil it too much, don't worry about it. I just thought, okay, this is like the 4th person like writing me something like this. I really gotta tell everyone to calm down and try not to spoiler it, even though it's not anyone's intention. I know. But yeah, I hope you all understand, because it's gonna be like way more funny and amazing to like, yeah, play it, go into it blindly, and I'm super looking forward to that. The more you look, yeah, I know who you mean. I said that during the stream as well. I think I see some like similarities there, here and there. It's gonna be my last stream. No! It's not my last stream, it's just the last Fruit Buzz one. Love the way you talk. Aww. Thank you. I love the way you are. Feels almost targeted. It is. But yeah, 6 legends that's gonna be on Friday. I'm looking forward to it, and I'm also looking forward to play some Deltarune together with Ryoku on Saturday again. We did like a huge portion of chapter 3 already, I think, on last Saturday. But the problem is you can only like save between the like bigger parts of the game, so we had to finish like right on time last time. And yeah, we are right there, ready for the next part of the game. Looking forward to Deltarune again. It's amazing so far, and I love doing all this silly voice acting. We had like a few troubles first setting up the stream and like actually like sharing the screen, but in the end, like it turned out, yeah, let's just do it with Discord, and I just captured Discord, and I hope it worked fine for you all and that you could hear everything. But yeah, we are gonna work on that. The problem is always like with the 2 Dirks in the corner of the screen, we don't want to like hide anything of the dialogues or something. Woo! Akabor, welcome in, and Parsi as well, and Brizza. 3 cuties joining in here. Good to see you. All the pets for you. So let me hide the schedule now. Good to see you, and also many hugs to you, Prisa. I know you have so much work this week, and I wish you all the best. Don't overdo it. Don't forget to take breaks as well. It's even more important if you have to like work long. Don't forget to eat and hydrate, and yeah, know that we care a lot about this bird. Yo, Parsi! Oh my god! Thank you for the gifts up to Rusty! That is very lovely from you. Aw, thank you, Parsi. Try your best. You are already your best. Beans! Yay! Oh my goodness. Aw, thank you. But let me give a shout out to the lovely Brizza here. I know there won't be like any streams this week because of like the huge amount of work you gotta do. But everyone still like gifted bird a follow. Totally worth it. Super chill streams. Especially the miniature painting ones are amazing. So yeah, check them out. But yeah, just chatting here again a little bit before we get started with Fruit Buzz. Let's see. I have still like lots of coffee left here. There we go. The white Dirk in the game. Yes, that's true. Yo, coins! Yo, oh my goodness, that adds to my hoard, and that is my bad. Making this Dirk cozier with every coin. Thank you. Ah, but yeah, what else is there to say other than yeah, stay hydrated, everyone. Make sure to stay in the cool as much as possible. And I know it's not cold, like hot everywhere on this world, but in many places it currently is. Also, my birds are very excited. It usually would be winter for them right now, because like budgies, I think they are from Australia, if I remember right, and it's currently winter there. So I had like a friend just returning to Australia yesterday, and it was like raining.
Brixxy1 gamer, Brixxy1 gamer, Brixxy1 gamer, Brixxy1.
Oh my god, we are so gaming with this Ryoku. Welcome in, Rio. Let's give a shout out to the gaming Rio here. Yo, thank you so much for the resub and 33 months. Oh my god, we are so gaming. Oh my god. Thank you. There's one weird fire alarm you have. Yeah, it's the game alarm. It's whenever someone is gay around here, it gets triggered. What are your birds' names? Ah, they're called Sam and Alex. I went for like, because I was not sure if they're like male or female, I went with like more like neutral kinds of names, and they work for both, or like all genders. Because honestly, I still have no idea what genders my birds are. Even like the wet had like a little bit of trouble, or like didn't want to check, like spend too much time checking because it didn't really. I think he said like one of them is like a male, but honestly, they are pretty gay. So no eggs whatsoever. So I guess they are both like male birds. Also, thank you for the stretch. Have I tried asking them? All they say is like making cute noises. Singing are males. And no, but like the female ones, they also like can do some cute noises usually. But yeah, I mean, they one of them, like especially in the morning, likes to scream a lot. Get all that energy out. But I know that like with the cockatiels it's easier because they do a lot of singing, especially if they are male. Oh, we smooched at Brizza. Steel has done it again. What has Steel done again?
Yep.
Yo, yep. Pebbles, thank you for the BTs. Voices are fine, but actual songs are the male ones. Yeah, I'm not sure. I never had like Butchies doing lots of like songs. What I did have, like, I had a Butchie that was like talkative, so he was like talking like basically a smoochy. I'm lovely, mwah mwah mwah, and kissing. It was really cute. And these ones, they don't talk. I had one before who did. Iskra does a lot of noises but never sing. Yeah, we have that too with the cockatiels of my parents. Currently actually like looking after them while my parents are on vacation. I should check the art channel. Still did it again. Okay. Maybe I should check the art channel. Aww. The animated GIF. Oh my god. Aww. That is awesome. Aww. Keep. Aww, oh my goodness. Wait. There we go. Oh my god, that is so lovely from Steel. Wow, long snoot. Very long snoot. Yeah, like, yeah, still true. I'm not sure if I can, like, bring an animated thing here on the stream. But yeah, or maybe this could be like a hidden secret advertisement to join my Discord. If you want to see that art that everyone is talking about, you need to join. Up. No, feel free to join whenever you like, of course. But it is a very lovely Discord. I really appreciate everyone in there. Very, very good vibes. Lots of amazing art, lots of dragons, and we also, of course, have our community nights bi-weekly happening there. Yo, Hype Train! Aw, thank you so much! Oh my goodness! Also, Dirk Lava, welcome in. Good to see you. The Jedi, oh yeah. You want to join the Discord. You want to join the Discord. No, it's fine. I'm making jokes here. I know, like, especially, like, not everyone wants to join, like, 1,000 Discords. I even, like, have like, troubles myself, like, being active on more than 3 Discords. It's hard. There's so much going on usually. So many lovely people everywhere, left and right. Yo, but thank you for the new hoodie. How are you doing, Johnny? How is it going? So you're also doing currently lots of streaming, so let's shout out that cute Rabakuga here. Last seen streaming some Grim Dawn. Yo, hope that went well. Doing okay? Aw. Squeeze that, Johnny. Same, I'm only active in a small amount of Discords. Be way too much to keep up with. Yeah, I think I'm myself like in nearly 100 Discords. Just, yeah, to like occasionally check on stuff, or because it's like it's for support for a certain avatar or an artist that opens commissions there. Yeah, it's like some of the internet that was like earlier in the days, like all like forums or Reddits or something. Some of it feels like it has moved into Discords. So yeah, it kind of forces you to be in some of those, to actually like ask questions about stuff, or like you order. Like I got something called Giggle Tech, for example, which is like a haptics motor for VR, and it is like for receiving pets. So if someone in VR gives me head pets, it's actually like a gentle vibration in my head to like help with those that don't have like any kind of phantom sense. And yeah, like if you have any questions about your order, you need to like join the Discord. But yeah. The download links in the Discords. No! That's the worst. I have a billion Discords too. I know like Noodle, for example. Noodle the artist, I think like ran into the actual like limit of Discords you can join. They have to like delete some here and there to actually being able to join. It's like my only social media. It has served me well. Ah, okay, yeah. I mean, Discord has become like the gate to the furry fandom for me as well. Because when I like first actively joined the furry fandom, like Twitch and Discord, they were like those gates, the gateway drugs to the fluff, you could say. I didn't like start with going like to local fur meets and start becoming a furry there. It's all like in the internet for me. Lone Dragon, yo, good to see you. How is it going? Hi. But yeah, I really think like, yeah, it's amazing like how many Discords there are currently, and so many of them have lovely stickers too. So if you see me like taking very long to respond like to one of your messages on Discord, it's usually me like going through the 1 million stickers and trying to choose the perfect one. But with like some lovely artists like Yarn, for example. I'm so happy to get like more Brixie stickers that I can like use in these situations. Used to be scared of furries, but haven't. Aww, that is lovely to hear, Laner. And I mean, you're a lovely person yourself, so that totally checks out. Very scary. Oh yeah, we are. Oh my god, my birds are also very scary. Bah. Eee. No, I was really amazed by the vibes of the furry fandom when I first joined. Was not aware that like there could be people like actually being nice. Like that. And yeah, always a fun time to hang around with you all. Really enjoying it a lot. Also excited to see more of you like this summer as well. At least like some of you I will be able to catch either at like cons like Avustria or like at a like a hangout. Gonna be at in Germany. It's also gonna be EF and of course Finfur Animus as well. And I'm looking forward to all of these very, very much. Like I'm also very excited about like Finfur Animus because this will be by far the smallest con I've ever been to. Because like even in their first year, Avustria, like Austria's first FurCon, it had like over 700 people and attendees. And like Finfur Animus, it has like 250 people or something. I don't know. So I wonder, like, I already liked the vibes of Avustria. It all felt more personal, and you actually had a chance to meet like the same person you small talked on the day before on the next day as well. And it was just more, I don't know. It was like a good way to actually like make friends better and like have fun. And it wasn't as stressful. I really liked it. I could be just a silly goober on that weekend. Yo! Was never afraid of furries, just very antisocial. I mean, that is a mood as well. I mean, I was never like I was never like super aware of furries. I know like they are like existing in the internet, and there are like these people like running around in their costumes and stuff, but I never looked into it much. I like checked out the art here and there, especially the dragons, but I never like was very much into like embracing and being active in the furry fandom. And yeah, until like a little bit about like 3 years ago, where I was like, okay, what is this thing? Let me watch some videos. Like, what are furries actually, and why is like everyone dressing up in costumes? And then like I saw like some of the most amazing people out there, and yeah. Sorry, I'm yapping so much today. Anti-social people, yeah. Okay, let's be honest. I was also very shy. I had to really step over my shadow to like actually like join into like a Discord. I remember like before I stepped into my first voice chat, I was like hovering over that join button like on that VC like at least 5 minutes, and I was sweating bullets. And thankfully, there were 2 lovely beans in there at least, System and Ryoku. So like my very first voice chat on a furry Discord was with the blue fluffy Dirk. Very funny that we became such good friends too. Yeah, you Rio, oida. Did the same from my first. I know. I remember like someone telling me when I learned was furries are. I was one of those people who were cringing by default. Watched some stuff. Yeah, I heard like a lots of thing going around with like people saying, "Oh, fuck furries and they ruin everything," which was like a very bad vibe and very bad take on furries that I saw like going around, like even like my brother and such. But I mean, he doesn't really care. He didn't know what he was saying. And yeah, I was not sure about that either. But it's just like a bad meme on the internet, to be honest. And then like when I looked into it, it was really cool. And I'm so happy to be here now with you all. And I can definitely say that every single one of you is an amazing person, really. Yo, Dark Dragon, like this one, and Seer, good to see you, good to see you. You'll be lurking on the sides, of course, Rio, happy lurking. Fuck first. No, not like that. Wait, maybe this is where it's coming from. You're so right, Sanyo. Oh my goodness. Don't bite my ankles. Thank you for the new hoodie. Maybe I should mix in the forbidden hoodie too. Nah, maybe not. It may not be a Twitch conform. Anyways, change of topic. Yeah, that's the question, Toaster Thief. That's the question. No, sorry, Lena. Don't cry. Don't cry. Oh, I will have to hug you. Also, thank you, Ray, for the CP and the kissy. Beans! Oh my goodness! Wertip, welcome in. Thank you for the beans. And the bitties right there. If you were to get 5 stickers, what would they be? Bounce, Hack, Lem, Nom, and what else? Oh, you already have the Nom, them, Lem, Hack, Pounce. I don't know. Maybe a bean sticker. I approve of beans, you know? I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. I'm yeah, just chilling here. Feeling very talkative today. I think it all has nearly been an hour into the stream already, and I can't stop yapping. But I'm doing good. I actually like slept well today. Work was calm. I had like the landlord over and he didn't completely break everything over here. So I would say it's going good, yeah. How are you doing though? That's what I want to hear. Bricks stickers, yes. Oh, that is a great idea. Maybe I should print some of the new ones. I really love some of those. I also need to add them to VR chat. Oh my god. Returned from a vacation in Germany. Yo, where have you been? For a whole week. Yo. Willkommen zurück. Hope you enjoyed your stay in Germany. It's actually pretty close. He had my first birthday with him. Oh, that's wonderful. I hope you two had an amazing time together. And also, happy birthday. With every stream, we are closer to Brix's just chatting streams. I'm sorry. You're all just so lovely to chat to. To Düsseldorf! Yo, I'm gonna be there in the beginning of August as well. I can't wait. I know there's like it has like lots of Japanese kind of like culture over there. It has like a really nice park. I think like an aqua zoo as well. I can't wait to see Düsseldorf as well. Also went to France for a day, to Strasbourg. Yo! Japanese and Korean snacks, let's go! That's lovely to hear that you had a great time. Oh my goodness, and thank you for all the pets, Picati. A commission? Oh, you did? 6 expressions of you? Wait, these aren't the stickers that you posted like a while ago, aren't they? Are they new ones? Because honestly, you have an amazing taste in art. Like some of these were like really good. And yeah, your persona design is also quite amazing. Let me check. Not the stickers. I'm not sure if I saw them. Did you post them on Blue Sky? Maybe I can whisper. Oh, you can try. But it's cool. That's super cool. I also got 5 new mini stickers as well from the lovely Yearn here in chat. I have no idea how whispering actually works. I'm not sure if I ever got that. But yeah. Anyways, yeah. Are those clothes? Yo! Oh my goodness! It's a lovely Clued! Or Power Paws. All of them. How are you doing, Clued? Yes, I am glowing. I reworked a little bit my avatar. Blue Sky link in chat. I think that will get blocked. I think I can't even see it. If you can whisper it. I'm not sure. Are we on the same Discord? Or maybe on Blue Sky you can chat to me as well. If you want to send it there. I would love to see them. We're doing a Brixie ASMR stream now. Hello. Hope you're all doing lovely. Yo. But yes, I do really whoop. All right. Yes, I do really hope that, yeah, you're doing lovely, Clute. Oh my goodness. Yes, but we are gonna get started very slowly with Fruit Bus. Otherwise, we will never finish this game. Heat is murdering you? No! I'll make sure to stay cool. We don't want this Clute to melt in the heat. Oh, it was those! Yes! Oh my god, that one's from Siberian Demon. Yes, I replied to them. Yes! Oh my goodness. They are so cool. Oh, I mean, holy heck. Those were like the most... yeah, you can't really call them stickers. It's... I hope it's okay that I show them here. But yeah, really cool art. So Siberian Demon, really cool artist. It's, yeah, those are just really, really cool and very cute Persona design. Can't get enough. Oh, I understand. Wow. It's always like my problem. It's always my problem with like Blue Sky. There's so many amazing artists out there. I'm feeling bad for like reposting everything I see. And I would like wish to commission every single one of them. Unfortunately, money is a limited resource. But yeah, if you want to like check out the artist, here's the link to the post. And definitely recommend their art after like seeing that. And yeah, honestly, can never get enough art. Yo, also Rex, welcome in. It is much too warm for hoodies. I know, but it's worth it. I do love the hoodies. I can't go on without them. But yeah, I hope you're doing well, Rex. Hope you're doing lovely. Oh my god, shared art piece. That is such a lovely idea. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I would also go broke, Picati. It's really something I had to stop myself again. I was like getting commissions left and right, and then I looked at the bank account at the end of the month and was like, okay, Brixie, you need to calm down. But it's not easy. I switched a little bit to like, yeah, trying to prioritize things. But there will be like a time again where I will get more. Yeah, thank you. Have to limit commissions. Yeah, I'm still like getting quite a few. Yeah, I was like posting on FA, like all the backlog I had like from like the last 2 months. Oh, thank you. Yeah, also if you check out my FA, don't worry. There are no explicit art pieces because that's not something I like for Brixie. There are maybe a few major themed ones, but nothing explicit, so it's safe to browse the Brixie art. I just like the wholesome art a lot. There's so much amazing stuff out there. Priorities are important. Had my first stack of commissions, no holding back. But you got also some amazing ones, Sanyu. You're gonna go on my Wall of Dragons with the like one from Slappy. That is so cool. But yeah, I'm sorry. I'm going on and on about all these amazing topics here. But I think we need to get started with the game here. Otherwise, this will really turn into a just chatting stream. You have the funds for more? Let's go! Would love to see more of your art. Like with your character. Same with like many of all of you. Yeah, I'm always like happy to see like art of you as well. I yeah. Just love like seeing friends getting art. Stickers for Wyston. Oh, that is true. Some of these are also specific to an artist. Yeah, I mean, sometimes like there is stuff that like fits for a specific artist. I get it. And yeah, some of them like don't always open. But yeah, what I usually really love is like the YCHs, because you know what you get, and if you know the artist a little bit, it's also like usually like a low risk thing. But yeah. I know I really want to like get art from Eneroth one day. They are an amazing artist, and of course for that they are also more expensive, but I need to save up for that, and one day I will do it. For now I will just buy their hoodies at Austria. But yes, I have been yapping so much. Let's actually start with Fruit Bus now. I'm gonna hop over with you all to the game scene. Need to post a new commission, actually. Oh, oh, is it one from Babanasaur? Maybe. Oh. I love Babana's art. They also did like recently a really cool one from Rio. Yes, we are gonna shake that booty in the Fruit Bus. Let's go, everyone. All right, here we go. Let's see. Oh, I was still like on the capturing the windows with Rio like last time. There we go. There we go. Yay! Aw, thank you for the bitties and the big banner pet. What? Oh my god, thank you. Oh my goodness, for the 5 gift subs. Holy heck, that's very lovely of you. Thank you. Oh my goodness, and you got so many amazing people with that. Look at that. You got Lone Dragon, you got Spooky Shino, you got Tullius, you got Dark Lover and Deadmeat, all of them friends. Oh my god. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Really helps like with like keeping the Discord and the stream running. Looking through an artist gallery, I found something very interesting. A Brood Noodle Dirk. Ooh, I'm not sure if I saw that before. Remember Lone Dragon and Dirk Lava? Yeah. Aww. I think they are usually around Dirks. I saw you cuties in other streams as well. Not sure. I think if I didn't like see some of you on Waffles stream on Sunday on the birthday stream. So let me continue shouting out cuties here, like for example Picati. An amazing Wah! Recently seen playing some Hollow Knight. Ooh, let's go. Yeah, it is fruit time. It is fruit time. And wait, where are we actually? And why is my Why is my mouse cursor moving so slow? Did something change with the interface here? What? Oh, I know what's happened. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see if I can break the stream now. I remembered I changed the refresh rate of the monitor. And it seems like it limits, like... It doesn't calculate the movement speed of the mouse cursor correctly. It doesn't use the fixed time in Unity. It uses the delta time, which is like not the right thing you want to use. Anyways, I'm getting into programming here. Hope the stream still works, but I think the GPU took it well. So, what are we up to here on our Fruit Pass? We are actually like pretty close to finishing the game. We only have like 2 major guests that are still missing. One of them is like for yeah, do you want the banana topper? Oh yeah, where was the banana topper? Oh my goodness, that was the question. That I wanted to like. No, I was thinking if maybe it is like in the other. Okay, no, it's okay. It should be on this island. I just wanted to check before I cruise around like for nothing on this island. If it's like actually on this one. We are currently on this one. Yes, we are gonna try and look again in the starting city. It must be there. Oh, everyone loves us. So let's turn on the radio. I hope the audio is not too loud. If it is like that, then let me know. I can always adjust it. Woo! Yo, Shinu and Avon, welcome in. And thank you for the hydrate. I gladly take that. Whoa, and suddenly I look away for a second and suddenly it's night. Okay, so we are just cruising with our bus here. We have like 2 major quests that are like left open to like actually get the feast with our grandma here going. That is like the hotel manager in this island here who wants to like do a party, and for that apparently they need a banana topper on our food truck. And the other one is like just a food truck critic that is like around various places that we need to satisfy. A strawberry milkshake? Ah, fitting right in here with the theme. Although we don't have any strawberries. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it, Laven. Let's see if we can find it here. We're gonna like check the first few places again. Still like a banana topper here. We got a shovel here. Various kinds of items. Tool magnet, humidifier. No, definitely no banana topper. Got a sleeping tourist though. Oh, they be so EP. Oh my goodness. I mean, they do they also look pretty tasty. Like, oh, all these kinds of smoothies you can make here in the game. Like pineapple, apple, orange smoothie. Or tasty things like garlic, onion, and truffles. Yummers. So yeah, here's like another one. I'm not sure if we actually like checked both of them. I just hope I like didn't buy the banana topper before. Wait, banana topper. I have an idea. Where was the first place where we found bananas? I think that was like the first gas station here. Needs to be found instead. Maybe.
Beans.
Beans? Maybe we need beans. Beans make everything better. You have waffles? Ooh, we do love waffles. Still like a little story. Like this was like probably the first place where I ever found bananas. Maybe they are behind the waterfall. Ha! Okay, no. It would surprise me because I think I probably like checked everything here already. Let's just quickly go up again. And while we are at it, I'm gonna grab some lemons. Don't think we have too many of them. Thank you, Johnny. This, for example, looks like an interesting thing. What is this? Okay, let's get our shovel out. Oh my god, this could be good. This could... Okay, this is just... I just feel like the luckiest person. What? I guess it showed me like a sequence somewhere, sometime. That it was here. Okay, I swear I did not look this up. I only checked if it's what's on this island. That's insane. I'm so happy right now. Oh my god. Okay, we found the banana topper. As easy as that. That's a good start of the stream already. He says 1.5 hours in. All right, let's top that banana. I mean, mount that. I mean, okay, no. Oh, Brixie bonk. Okay, we're gonna go. I mean, it is what it is. No, Picati. All right. Yes, let's add the topper. What do we already have it like? Okay, let's go. I think I need to drop it first and then do it like this. Can I like reach from here? No. Usually it takes time for me to land. Oh, yeah, feel free to join. It is a very cozy one, yeah. I would say so. Picati says so. Yeah. Trying to keep it very wholesome, which is not very difficult with the lovely beans in there. Yeah, and just lots of art as well. Okay, okay, need to flat back that, and then... And of course, like if you're on a Discord, you can use all kind of stickers and emotes. That's always And we do some community hangouts as well. Or when I'm like feeling like it's into evening and like hanging out in VR chat, I usually post it as well. If it's not like a friend asking for a hangout or something, then like doing like little VR chat hangouts there as well. So for those who are like interested in that kind of thing, I like to do some like world hopping or some games. Oh, Avon. A stack of cups. Can we put that in here too? We can! Oh my goodness, we can stack up on those cups. You need more rares? Ah. I do as well. I think like the next time I get stickers again. I mean, I just got stickers today, but the next time I get some, I need one more rare at least, and maybe some other noise. I know like the banner has this very, very cute one that like Norik has as well, or Protox. I'm tempted to get that one. Oh, you even saw them before? Ah, let's go. That's lovely to hear. Oh yeah, let's actually check the book here. If we need to do something else, we have the banana topper. Track down the banana topper, attach it, and talk to the hotel manager. Okay, I'm gonna do just that. Especially like the Gip. Yeah, Jörn did such a great job with it. I was like thinking like what kind of stickers do I often use that are like not from my own pack, and the Gip one was like one of them, the hard one, and the POC point is also very good. What is that quote? Oh, the frost. Oh, this is about the steering wheel that I have. Yeah, actually I have like a racing simulation setup. A cheap one. And it's a really, really good wheel. It's borderline illegally adorable. No, you. Yeah, now you know what the fifth sticker is, what you need to get, Sanyo. Get that Gip. Keep. I can't believe my eyes. It's a little banged up, but it will do. Who stole it? A giant gorilla? Just kidding. Gorillas aren't real. Sure. I think it is safe to say that we can get the Noto Festival started. Wait, was that the last thing we needed to do? How about it, kid? Should we get this party started? Oh, let's go, everyone. Oh, that's so cool. Pretty fireworks too. Oh, I can move now. Good food, good music, giant banana topper. This festival is actually going great. What? You have to tell me, guy. What's up with the banana topper, huh? I'm not sure if I remember that part of like the story. They were like one of the first characters we talked to in the game, and I kind of missed that part apparently. He says, we could not have done this without you. Here's a little something for your trouble. Yo, a countertop. I take it. That's a great thing. Everybody is enjoying themselves, but nobody has commented on the topper. Ah, I got some reflecting to do, kid. Anyway, I'm going to try to not have a meltdown over every little detail from now on. What do you mean the topper was never stolen? What? It was a group of Vanarians who broke the topper? That's even wilder than my gorilla theory. I told you some of these tourists go rabid for food. It was smart of Grandma to take advantage of the topper with the Bananarians being in town, though. So wait, why did she bury it? Oh, in case I asked her to pay me for the damage? I would never take money from Grandma, but with all the lemon salads she's given me over the years, it's unlike her to worry about things like this. Come to think of it, that was the same year she upped her prices a bit too. Whatever she had going on must have been serious. I hope she sorted it out. I'll be there at the farewell feast, of course. Now, why don't you put down the blender and join the party? I'm not sure if I'm allowed to do that because I have a feeling people will walk up to us and demand food. Like this one here. I got something in my eye. Ah! Yes, the gib is great. The gib is great, Sanyo. The menu is bananas, yes. Oh my god, Dirk Lover, you're onto something here. Okay, but first we want this movie. I should have like some cups left here. I don't have any water, which is bad. Oh no, I have some water over there. And also I don't need water. And this time let me actually check over here. Not like the wedding where they actually like had all the ingredients that you needed to cook these things. Like right next to the truck, and I didn't see it and I was like worrying if I have everything available. Oh yes, here we go. Here we go. Everything is here. Let's steal all the bananas. We also got them. Is this a mango? No, this is an apple. Lemons too. Okay. Yeah, let's see if we can find a lemon. Okay, got this one here. Oh, this should be a mango. The dragons. Yee! Ah, that is a nice color combination. Here, have your sippy. Yo, that's really good for a simple smoothie. 29. Thanks. I'm gonna go see if Belle and Jan are stoked about doing an interview for the radio show. Laters. Yay, all the money here. They just want a random salad. Can do. Gotta grab the knife. How about... We got lots of lemons still. And, I don't know. Lemons and... maybe blueberries. Why not? I think the combination of those two is actually not bad. Yeah, a little bit. Could be better. Thanks. It's time for the lighthouse keeper to dance. See ya. Next one is just a simple tourist. They want any kind of random smoothie. I see. You can make that. Like another lemon. Why not? maybe a banana too. But yeah, all that's left now then is the food critic to like get all the quests done here. Unless we like didn't find one, like missed one. Alright, there you go. Oh. Do you all like drinking smoothie? Are you like a smoothie kind of person? I do kind of like that there is a smoothie called Pink Dragon. Because it's basically me. Let's see. Oh, you want it hot. Oh, we should have gathered some of the chilies. I'm not sure if we have some, but let's check. Oh, I see one. Okay, we still have them. And an apple as well. Where do we have apples? Is this an apple? Could be an orange. Are you an apple? I mean, there's definitely an apple out here. You make smoothies pretty often, actually. Ooh. I mean, if you have like the blender for it, it should be like pretty easy to make. Like in the summer, I'm usually more the milkshake kind of person. So I usually like make banana milkshakes. Those are pretty tasty. Maybe with some vanilla as well. Oh, the color on this one is amazing. Also, let me steal one of their glasses. Glass. Berries, milk, yogurt, and ice. Ah, that sounds so refreshing as well. Yo, they really like that. Woo! And a hydrate from me as well. Thank you, Tullius. See you on the dance floor. Oh no! I mean, I did quite like the dance floor at NFC. That was so much fun. I like left every last bit of power and energy on the dance floor. They're like for 1.5 hours with value factory set to. Ah, that was great. And of course in fursuit, even though it was only partial, but I feel much more comfortable like dancing while in fursuit. I don't know what it is. It like takes away all the anxiety for me that I usually have with dancing. So yeah, if you're gonna be at one of the cons I'm gonna be at, you might see a white fluffy dragon shaking his tail over there as well. I'm gonna steal more classes. Okay, we want a mango, a banana, and something random. A potato. No, okay, maybe not the potato. Lemon, yeah, I think we do love lemons. Oh, and thank you for the stretch. Oh, yeah. Oh, the color combination on that one is great. It is the Babana sour drink, to be honest. I mean, that's their colors. Wow, okay, that's a really amazing combination here. They love the drink. Ah, thank you. This will help me keep it together for a while longer. Yo. Oh, a burning salad you want? Okay, we can do that. What could we make? We could make some kind of potato salad, actually. Let me... Would I actually want, like, the flaming symbol? I think I have to actually put that in a pan. Oops. The flour potatoes. Don't worry, that's fine. Let's add an onion as well. Gonna roast some onions. We'll have the potatoes here as well. Oh yeah, we don't want them to burn. There we go. What? Oh my god, that was close. Okay, and they go on the salad. Okay. Make a stir fry. All right. It's gonna be the tastiest of potato salads. Just thinking already, what could we add on top of that? We have onions and potato. What fits well? Maybe some salad. No, I don't actually have that. We can use maybe this one. The ginger. All right, enjoy. This is not what I ordered. Is it a decoy dish in case a spy is after you, salad? Oh, okay. I guess it was something wrong. Huh. Oh, this is stir fry and not a salad. Huh. I guess I need to do something different here. I'm gonna put it down there in the display though. Stir fry special. Let's make a new one. Oh, there's some rotten fruit here. No! Love the blackberry. Generally don't drink coffee, too sour for me. My parents have instant coffee stick. Expired like 10 years. Good thing I learned. I mean, not every coffee is necessarily sour. But I get it, yeah, lots of them are. But if you drink them like with milk and sugar, maybe a little bit of like chocolate, you can like counteract against the sourness. There are specific ones that are not. Oh, well, that's even better. And I think, not sure if it like also depends on like how they are roasted, like at what degree and such. Because there's also some I don't like. Or just ask in the store. Okay, I think apparently this is what they wanted. Thanks! If you decide to dance with us when you're done serving food, I won't tell anyone. Another salad. I think we can actually make this one here. I don't want to like spend any more of my ingredients than I must. I am very much into coffee. There was a time where I had 8 coffees a day. And that time was maybe a year ago or something. So, yeah, I do drink a lot of coffee. Nowadays, it's mostly like 3 or 4, I think, a day. Yeah, 8. Like every hour, I used to like... Every hour of work, I used to get a coffee. And yeah, currently I really like the iced coffee, of course. Adding some ice cubes there. A little bit more milk than usual. Yeah, my heart is okay. I checked, of course, if it's still like healthy, because you gotta be careful, of course. But if you have a healthy heart, and thankfully there's nothing against like drinking that much coffee. And I found a Dragon on Blue Sky that does pop-up coffee shops. They work in a... We need to go there. Oh my god. We need to visit the Dragon. This is at 20 milliliters of cold water and sugar, whip it, then in a cup, ice milk, and then whipped coffee on top. Ah, that sounds delicious though. It also depends on what kind of coffee. Like usually I have like the one from my espresso machine and a fully automated one. And I add always like milk and sweetener. But yeah, it is still 8 coffees, and I like get used to the caffeine, you could say. But yeah, like 8 is still like my limit, I think. Anything beyond that, I think I would start to worry. But I was fine with it. I just really like coffee. Wait a second. No, give. No, how do I get the lemons out of there? No, I messed up. Okay, lemons. You go down on the floor now. Gonna make a fresh one, because I just saw that they wanted... They have it like with these other symbol. I don't know the difference between the flamed one and this one. But if I make like a coffee with the tiny like mocha machine, the little silver can that you put on the stove, those tend to be quite strong. I have like from Yearn, I got like a coffee like that I make with that. And I mean, I got even the mocha machine from Yearn. And that one I feel definitely stronger, so maybe not 8 of those. Yeah, it looks like it's steamed. The Brixie machine at work? Yeah. I go brrrr, and out comes the coffee. Yearn is silly. Yearn is especially very dangerous and very lovely. But mostly dangerous. Can I actually like stop them, stack them on top here? No. Yeah, it's because you fed into my coffee addiction by like sending me the little mocha machine and the coffee, which was very, very lovely. Ah, I still have a little bit of that coffee left. I couldn't bring myself to drink all of it in one go. Beans! But I think we can join the dance floor now. This party is not too bad. Great party, kid. I think everyone had an amazing time. Reminds me about the crazy parties they throw in Romano. If you haven't been to Romano yet, then you've got some exploring to do, kid. It's on the island of Breezy Bay. What do you say, kid? Wanna wrap it up? Sure. Whoop. Everyone disappears. Seer. Ah. But you are truly the master of silliness, though. Up. My coffee. Then a big metallic cup with ground beans. Yeah, exactly. Those. That's like what I meant with the little mocha machine that goes on the top. I think that's what you mean. Yeah, those are like feel like quite strong. Yeah, I've used it a lot, Jörn. I have used it a lot. I'm nearly through with all the coffee you've sent me and made all of that with that. Because otherwise I can't use ground coffee. I have like a coffee machine where the beans go in and it like grounds them itself. Very long cobalt, maybe. Anyways, let's see. We only have one guest left here. We have some other ones as well. Need to meet a mechanic in Breezy Bay. Can do that. Serve the hippie chef in the hot spring at ginger soup. We can do that. A truffle stir fry. Sure. A custom salad. Pineapple, lemon, pear, cucumber, blueberry, pine nut. Oh, that's a crazy one. Where were they again? I'm not sure if it says show on map. Oh, what? Wait, it actually shows where they are. Ooh, I didn't know there was something like this here. Oh my god. Yeah, let's take a look for the food critic. Okay, if the game lets me like scroll down. Oh, there we go. Star soup. In the hot springs. All right. Let's head to the hot springs, actually. Yo, thank you for the hydrate. What about 3 kobolds in the trench coat? And the stretch too. Whoa! Tail. Suddenly tail. Oh my god, that is a wild combination. Very colorful scan. Let's maybe actually visit the volcano real quick for some fruits from there. Kobolds are very sweet beans. Oh my god, I can't believe, son, you became a big artist. When can I commission you? Really need to get used to the drifting. It sounds so healthy for the bus, though. Wait, am I going the right way? Oh, yeah. And we are going up the volcano here. Ah! Are you a better driver in real life? Let's not talk about that. I think I'm alright, to be honest. I'm not the best driver, though. But I get everywhere safe. And I tend to, like... I have learned to chill on the streets. But I don't like driving on the highway during the night because it's very hard to see. Like if a car is passing you or like how many lanes there are in between you. You only take a full custom fursuits. I see, I see. They arrive. Whoop. There we go. Up the mountain we go. Oh, we can find some garlic here as well. I remember now. We might need that actually. Whoop. Okay. Found some chilies. Hot, 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 hot. Wow, so many of them. The scrungled rainbow is totally worth. Although mostly I just want to see Sanyo in a fursuit. Imagine that cute Dirk, all fluffy and huggable, like that in a suit. Ah. Just want to drive around. Oh, I did it. I mean, I was not driving myself back then, but like around like 19 or 20, I was doing that a lot with friends. We were just driving around every evening, just chilling, listening to music, maybe driving to like McDonald's or something. It was a vibe. It was very nice. Where does the garlic go? Maybe up here. And there goes the chilies. I mean, I really started to learn and appreciate the driving recently, because I was like visiting a friend in Austria, and he took us around like all the places in Austria I have never seen before. Like I've seen sides of Austria and the mountains I never thought I would see, and that they exist. And yeah, it was actually just easy to reach with the car. You go like drive by 2 hours and suddenly you're, I don't know, in the highest of mountains or with a really, really nice spa. Or yeah, and I learned like, okay, maybe I should like explore a little bit, take the car sometimes out. Because usually I don't drive a lot. I tend to use the trains a lot. It's also better for the environment, of course, but also I don't have to like think about like driving. Oh god, there's so much stuff here. Eee! It's really hard to get the things up here. There. I rented a car in Marseille. I wanted to throw it off a cliff after 20. No. Oh no. Oh my god, in France. Oh, I heard that some towns like in Italy as well. Like Napoli or something. Wow. Crazy to drive there. I would not do that. But for example, I'm planning, if I'm going to Fin for Animus, I'm gonna take a car from Helsinki and drive to like Lahti or like the Con, because like having like a fursuit with 2 suitcases and then like having to think about like doing public transport in a country I don't know and I don't speak the language of, I'm a little bit scared, to be honest. And then like driving around like for 2.5 hours, I thought like, okay, I know how to drive, I can afford it, thankfully, so I will just take the car and drive there. And then I'm also like independent because I heard the hotel there is not much around. Why can't I hold all these oranges? Exactly. Oh, golly. No, Twitch subtitles are turning me British. Oh my goodness. Here. All right. Car talk. That was the car talk. I think we got plenty of stuff. I think we should be ready for like handling the food critic. So let's take it off the mountain again. And with taking it off the mountain, I mean the fun way. Whee! Maybe this wasn't a good idea. Whee! Wait, did the game actually like prevent me from doing that? Where are we? I think I messed up. Can I push the truck? I got stuck while trying to throw off the truck from a cliff. Shame. Wait, I got the booster. Maybe we can get unstuck with that. Yay! Wow. There. Worked perfectly fine. Oh, where did my fluff go? No. I think we left our fluff up the mountain. Anyway. Appreciate Uphold Ball Dragons. Yo. But Grandma has something to say for us.
Morris is always stressed about something, aren't they? Sometimes I worry for their heart. It's so big, but so busy.
Alright. I forgot again because I'm fluff-brained. Where's the food critic? At the hot springs. Okay, so we need to go to the breezy, to the Frosty Pines one. Which one is the Frosty Pines ferry? Oh! Wait, is there a Frosty Pines ferry? I don't think there is a direct one. We gotta go there first. Oh, let's just follow the road, and actually if I would just go back, it would be the fastest way. Thank you for all the pets. Ever since when did I have a color changing spot under the hair? Oh, yeah, it's when I added, reworked the model and added like the colored beans as well, and added the face tracking blend shapes. I also added the underneath the hair, so you don't see like the white fluff coming through. I added like the colored spot there as well. You want to see some beans? All right. Enjoy the beans. Wow. We have the beans here. They are very glossy. Very smooth beans. Beans! Yes! Oh, I think I found the ferry. Ah, it's right there. And on our way, we can also refuel. There we go. Whee! Ah. I think I drove too far. Beep, beep, beep. Okay. All right, all fueled up again. Gasoline is so cheap in this game. Right, on the ferry we go. It's fine. Although, yeah, don't make me drive after my 8 coffees, maybe. What are you looking at? What is it? You want to get going? Ah, the radio tower is fixed. Yeah, I did this like a year ago. Actually, we want to go to... Oh, I think there was a direct connection. Ah, if we went to like the spot where we started. Anyways. Just gonna go around here. Where's the other spot? Just across the island. I will go on a drive. We're gonna chill. No, it's fine, don't worry. Yo! Blackbird, good to see you. How you doing? Fruity dragon, oh my. Indeed, very fruity. Ow! Ooh. Oh no, I know what's happened on this island. We were stuck with listening to Yell talking about potatoes. Big EP. Ah, I get that. Tuck this blackbird in. And then blem. Wait, am I going the right way? I am. Yo, and Vorteg, welcome in as well. Thank you for the stretch. Thank you for the hydrates. Thank you to the throw of to the face. Don't worry, we are totally going fine here. Whee! It's all fine here. Don't worry. This is all part of the plan. Oh god. That was close. Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry. My fault. Oh. Why are they yelling? Okay. Where's the captain? Hello? Wait, is there something wrong again? Where's the captain? Why can't I leave to... Oh, there they are. Do you want to go to Frosty Pines? Let's go. Okay. I guess that was a little bit bugged, maybe. It, like, reset the quest we did before. The style points. Oh, thank you. Wait, you're on the sea again. Why are we here again? Good job for finding the papers, sweetheart. I always thought Mother was a bad influence, but Media is wrong. You have your adventurous side and a big heart, but my organized side and big brain. I'm glad you two spent time together. You became you thanks to her, after all. We had this conversation before, Mom. You know, Cupcake, this place isn't as bad as I remembered. You mean the boat? I might actually keep it. I think we bugged out the game. We are waiting here a bit for the storm to clear. And would you look at that? It has cleaned. Okay. How did our mom get back on the ship? She was already here on in Frosty Pines. Maybe she was a ghost. Just like our grandma. Right. While we are here, let's maybe grab a little bit more ginger. Where was it? We also have blueberries here, but I think we already have plenty of those. But just in case, I'm gonna take 2. And ginger. Phew, yeah, where was that? I think it was like underneath one of these houses, or like down here. Was it? I mean, I think we still have enough. Oh. No, there's just more blueberries. I think we are good. Wait, I see it. I see it. Down here it is. Shovel. There we go. We should be able to actually like satisfy the fruit critic. He was at the hot springs, I think. Let's head over there. And it's the radio tower. The hot springs, they were just like, I think straight ahead and then up the mountain. Whee! Yeah, hot springs, let's go. Whee! Whee! Oh, whee! Oh, okay. It's all fine, it's all fine. I got this under control. Is this the hot springs? Yeah, I think. Okay, we're not getting stalagmites for that. But we are going. Oops. I like going fast though. I go swoosh. Okay, there they are. There is our target. This little one here. We're gonna make them snom the most amazing food. So that they will actually like join on the Grandma's like feast in the end. Let's see if you have the skill set to append Arctic sensory and pleasantries. The drama of this location is not lost on me, and your meal needs to match the emotional turmoil. The audacity of a star soup would challenge the glacial gaze of our surroundings. I hope I have cucumbers. Oh, no, that is actually not part of it. But I think I remember I needed cucumbers for something else. I didn't check if I have some. But for now, the star soup should be fine. We need one of those. We need blueberries. And we got ginger. So that should be good. Oh. Kind of wonder if you actually turn this on without the water. But we are gonna add water. We are making soup. I'm getting flashbacks to the streams with Brizza and Days here. Those were the days of the soup talks. And we were like playing Valheim and suddenly had the most sophisticated, lengthy discussions about soup. We're getting there. I think like a soup with 3 ingredients just takes a little while longer than the usual ones. There we go. Yeah, just take this one on the floor there. And turn off the stove. That is actually a good idea. All right, enjoy. I think you like it. Now, let's see here. This isn't terrible, but it isn't great either. Keep practicing, chef. I can tell a good chef from a great one. I'm not going to tell you which category I think you are in just yet. Meet me in Liswick, chef. It is time to conclude our culinary affairs. Ooh, wait, is this already the last location then? I still haven't found out how I actually like scroll with this one. Maybe I need to alt tab. Nope. No, I can't see the last one. Oh, there we go. Grandma stir fry, pine nut, blueberry, and something. Wait, just had that one. I'm confused. But we are already here, so you want to eat again, but something different here? I think so. Yo, Jan and Vincent! Lovely to see you too, yo! Hello, hello. Yes, it is very cozy. We are playing Fruit Bus here. We are quite far in the game. I can recommend very chill and creative kind of game with, well, lots of fruits to have. And yeah, Jan. Kobold stopping by for a bit. Yeah, get cozy in here, Jan. How are you doing? Hope the start of your week was lovely so far. Well, let me put the letter away there. So apparently what we need to do is we need to wait for the next day so that actually like the food critic wants to eat again. And that's gonna be our stir fry. And now we can use the time and gather some experience here. Oh, look at them. Cute. Eee! Hydrate, thank you. Somehow surviving the heat wave. Yes, make sure to hydrate a lot. Ah, it's so hot. I know. Just on the quest for more carrots here. Anything else here? Oh yeah, we do have some pine cones. Okay. Let's try again if our food critic is ready for some soup. I don't see them around yet. Where are they? Did it disappear? Huh. Hello? 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 I don't see the food critic anymore. I hope he didn't, like, I don't know, drown in the water. Huh. But the quest book says they should be, like, around here. Grandma's stir fry. Impress the food critic at the hot springs by making them a grandma's stir fry. And then we also have this other chef that we need to cook something for. I mean, we can look for them. They are close by. You only serve the critics? No, you serve all kinds of people. But currently we are like doing our last quest in the game. And that one is to make the food critic happy. So... Stir fry special. Is this the one we actually need to learn how to do? Grandma stir fry. No, that's something else. Wait, you want that one? I can give you that. All right. We've got a bit better today, down to the lower 20s. Ah, that's good. Wow, 34 is crazy in the UK, honestly. Holy heck. Yeah, we had like 34 as well. And yeah, apparently tomorrow or on Thursday it should get 37. But yeah, it's fine over here at least. We are kind of used to it by now. Only serve the critics. No. Today's been the warmest so far. I think it's gonna... Yeah, I heard like in most places it's gonna go down on the weekend. 70 degrees. That's nice. Ah, also Drachen. That one is also nice. Welcome in. Good to see you. Good to see you. Hope you are doing lovely today. Okay. What the Dirk doing? The Dirk. We'll take a look at the map again. We're gonna look for... Wait, we have Frosty Pines. We are currently here, and I think if we go back the road and like to this cave here, there was like some kind of cook, like some fancy chef that wanted to try something I couldn't cook before because I was missing water, which I'm totally gonna get now. Before I forget it again. There we go. The fursuit had dryers. Oh, that's a good idea. Wait, no, don't pour the water on the floor. Ah, silly Dirk. Okay, let's refill, because I just poured out half of the water. There we go. Wait, I poured it in the... Wait, I poured it in the water tank, I think. Mixed it with the gasoline. I'm not sure if it's a good idea to put it in the tank. Anyways, that's a problem for later. Yeah, for a second there, I thought you read that you're wearing the fursuit hat in the heat, but the engine will love it. Yeah, hydrate. Thank you. I think I got stuck. Okay, we're moving. I'm still surprised, like, when I was, like, wearing the partial last time and I had, like, the little, like, fan on the inside in the head and I was just wearing cool clothes. It actually didn't feel very hot in the fursuit. Because I compared it to, like, the full suit experience now, and that was, like, oh my god, so hot. But it's worth the fluff. Hey, there we go. I think they were around here. I hope. Hello? I hope you're still around. I could swear they were around here. There was a person here. Maybe let's see if we can find something else around here. There was stuff growing here. What was it again? Oh. Oh, the truffles. Right. But I think that's okay. Don't need many more of those. But if they have onions here too, I'll take them. Okay, it's ginger. I take that too. But why are all the quest NPCs missing? Where did they go? Maybe if I just open the truck, they will magically appear. I don't think it's working. I think after we found them, they went somewhere else. Time to find them again. But yes, come in here, get cozy. We are on the wintry islands here. So maybe like the lone thought of like being in like these snowy mountains maybe helps you cool down a little bit. I would be glad to, at least. I wouldn't mind the cuddle weather. Okay. We are back again. Let's see if the food critic is back. Honestly, don't see them. But it is like getting dark here. I hope we didn't like bork the game or something. You are not the food critic. Let's see. What does our book say? It has like something at the hot springs. Yeah, he's not here. Let's see. Other guests. Mechanic, hippie chef. Oh, the hippie chef was that one. At the hot springs. Wait. You are the hippie chef. Also, why the heck do you have an orange on your head? That is adorable. Soup. You can make ginger soup, sure. Let's grab some ginger and some pinecone. Right, just gotta chop it up. Yo, Forward! Long time no see. I hope you're doing lovely. I'm gonna close my eyes and manifest snow into my room. Let's go. Yeah, capybaras are so adorable. And MDL! Yo, good to see you, MDL. How is it going? I hope you have been doing lovely. There we go. Just a little shout out for MDL here. Last stream again with the football manager. Let's go. Have you modded in all the Dirks? Just finished the a small fun sketch. Oh, did you share on the Discord? I mean, I can always check yours. No, need another bowl. There we go. Also, Kamu, yo, lovely to see you. Happy wing hugs. Ah, right back at you. Steals all the fruits? No, I need those for the food critic. For the life update, I bought a training Kriegsmesser because I want to get into sword fighting. Yo, oh my god, what kind of sword fighting? Forward, like Celtic or? Oh, that sounds really cool. It has been shared. Ooh, let me check then. I wish all art fight participants a very have fun, make good art, and please also share the art you make here so I can see it. Aww. Did you join the art fight, MDL? Let's go, let's go. Have fun with it. Used to love making food wherever too, man. Eating it whenever, giving it to whoever. But then I became a renowned chef. That wasn't dope at all, man. So many norms, rules, and like words. I just want to be all kitchen inside, man. Cook with my heart instead of my rep, you know? Hey, I'ma head back to Liswick and give it another go. Mentioning Liswick, that's where the food critics said they were going to, right? Oh, with Kriegsmesser. Ooh. Spanish style. Okay. Let's rar. Interesting. Let's go forward. All the best for that and be careful, please. Not to hurt yourself there. Whoa. Oh my goodness. A cutie raid. Welcome in, Bryn and Raiders. Hope you have been doing lovely today on this Tuesday. Says you were doing some art. Of course. How else could it be? An amazing Bryn. Get in here. Get cozy. Welcome in, Rek. Welcome in, Vanilla the Dragon. Yo. Hi! Make yourself cozy in here. We are playing Fruit Bus today, and we are quite chatty today. Also, beans! Yo! Thank you, Rag. We are pretty cozy here with Fruit Bus today. And the lovely Trayson with the resub. Thank you for the hugs. But yeah, I hope you had a wonderful stream, Bryn. I hope you had a lovely time. For those who don't know me, I'm Brixie Bright, main fluffy dragon at heart from Austria. And I usually tend to do like the cozy kind of streams. Like here, Fruit Bus, little fun game, very creative. Wonderful animation style about like just running a food truck and like making everyone happy and hosting a remembrance feast for our grandma. Eee! All right. I love how they call this recipe just soup. It was good. You are good. And cute. Also, Solace, welcome in. Good to see you. Good to see you, Solace. Also, MDL, you were just saying, not confident enough in my abilities, which is why I made this sketch. Can't see anything on the Artfight website. That's a shame. And how am I doing, sweet dragon? Was Kamu asking. I'm good. I'm feeling quite cozy right now. The heat, of course, is always present, but I think I'm dealing with it quite well. But most importantly, I hope that you are dealing well with it. So don't forget to keep hydrating, and especially Bryn, after your stream, make sure to get something to drink, something to eat, and yeah, get cozy. And yes, another fellow Durga, welcome in. Welcome in. We love dragons. And we love coffee. Congratulations to the special hydrate. There we go. Thank you, Rex. I'm going to go make lunch right now. Yeah, thank you again for the raid and enjoy your noms. Have a good one, Bryn. Papa. Okay, so yeah, we are currently actually looking for a food critic, which we have to do a quest line for. But I think the game has a little bug there. It tells us they should be around the hot springs, but my amazing memory just tells me that I think they said they are gonna be at Liswick, which should be, I think, the town in the middle of this map here. I think this should be Liswick, right? Yes. So I'm just gonna hop over there and hope to find everyone. If I don't get the truck stuck. Cabin area. Ooh, that sounds cozy. Oh, I think the cabin area was actually like our grandma's home. We do be driving the truck with all the fruits in the background. And totally not me crashing all the time. Woo! Oh my god, we really need the Eurobeat for that one, yeah. Yo! Oh, thank you for the hoodie. Let's see. Yes, they are here. They are actually here. Here's the food critic we were looking for. And hopefully also... Yes, also this one. Okay, everything we gotta do right now, it's in this place. We are totally stocked up on food. Except, I think, for cucumbers, where we are running a little bit low. But hopefully those won't matter. Yo, coffee! Good to see you. Good to see you. I'm sorry, tourists. I have to focus on my quest first before I can serve you. Truffles are all I can think about now. Oh no, why am I crying? I'd love a truffle stir fry. I mean, we can do that. That should be easy to make. Let's make us truffles for them. I'm not sure if they are not like also part of like a quest line. So don't worry, the ingredients on the floor, it's a very, very clean floor. Yeah. Can we actually put like multiple things in one? Oh, we can! That makes things easier. The coffee is everywhere, it's omnipresent. Yo, Balazar, welcome in. Good to see you. Oh, how many do they need? The Stop Killing Games petition? I think they needed like... Do we have another? Eee! That is a snoot. They needed like 1 million, I think, right? To be accepted into parliament. Let's hope for the best for them. Ah, yes, 1 million. Before the end of the month? Wait, you mean at the end of July? Okay, I think they will easily reach that if they are already like... If they are growing so quickly. This is perfect, thanks. How can I ever repay you? Oh, I know! I can't just pay you. I mean, thank you. That's a good way to repay for me. Oh, sorry, Mom. Sell it. Sorry, I really need to focus on the quests here. Let's do that. I had the scan noise, but when I looked back, the screen was confused. It's the heat, Sanyo. It's alright. Or just an epic Turk. Okay, I shall give... don't put your snoot on my... I shall give you one last opportunity to convince me of your culinary artistry. I'm afraid nothing short of impeccable will do. This was a dish invented by Grandma, after all. I request a perfect Grandma stir-fry. Yo! That's terribly easy. Okay. Sure, I can do that. Just gonna take these, put them in the pan. Some blueberries. Put them in the pan. And some ginger. And there we go. Yeah, the flour adds the extra aroma. Wait. Ooh. Tasty noms. It is certainly a very interesting combination, though. Okay. I just need a bowl here. I'm gonna put that on the floor, too. Oh, we get to taste. Because what is it you do if you cook food for a food critic? You are right. You lick it first.
Grandma's special stir fry really has an uplifting effect, doesn't it, Pumpkin? I make this little jokester if I ever feel a little hot-headed.
Aww.
And after that review Gaston published today, let's just say Grandma might go for seconds. He writes, and I quote, "The ingredients were ripe and the texture was perfect, but I was served this stir-fry in a completely inappropriate area, and as a result, it tasted like trash. Not
No,
recommended."
that's super mean. Oh my goodness.
You'll be able to pick ripe ingredients out of my ears soon, because that rat is driving me up the wall like a veggie vine.
Aw.
Oh, no. I should calm down. Bananas and lemons are good for my bones, and words will never hurt me.
Aw.
Then again, he did say the stir-fry tasted like trash. I'll show him trash. Anyways, are you ready to bury today's trash? Capsule.
Oh. Oh, where's this? Where is this? There's like a mountain. Whew. This was like a hint where they buried like something that we need to find later. Gonna head out to the winery. Yo, enjoy your wine there. But take care, Vanilla. Oh, never mind. But yes, if you're going, then enjoy your time there. Have a good class. And yeah, I'm staying. Aww, that's lovely. Get cozy here with us. And my tail in the stir fry. Extra aroma. Here we go. Whoa. I'm just a little bit struggled. Now let's see here. I've got to admit it, Chef. You're a really good cook. Maybe even as good as Grandma. Grandma and I used to be good friends. But when never mind. I haven't felt a dish in my visceral senses like this in a long time, Chef. You have opened my eyes. I'm inspired to arrange a food festival. Would you like to help me organize it? It will be a great learning opportunity. There are 2 more chefs in Frosty Pines capable of making acceptable food. You found the chefs? Good. The other chefs need their stalls ice-free, Chef. Would you consider removing it? I think I did that. Yo. But also, let me say again, I'm not sure if I thanked enough here, but thank you, Drayson, again for the resub there. So for the assets free to keep on changed while not dragging, there's a cool looking fantasy city asset. Ooh, I'm gonna check it out later. Thank you, Cupidity. No, Cupidity, no. I would never do. No, Justian, shush. You're all terrible. But yeah, welcome in, Justian. Good to see you. Good to see you. Also, I'm gonna deny the sandwich. I'm sorry. But I want to make something for these cute little cats here. Oh my god. That is a big sandwich. Ooh, 6 ingredients. We didn't have that before, I think. So, of course. Let's go, let's go. Oh. Okay, wait, I got this. I can place. Okay, I place it here. So what we need is, we need a slice of bread. Wait, that's the... Okay. This is going exactly as planned. Okay, we're gonna put the bread here. Why is it not stacking? Okay, now it works. Then we need some... Okay, some of this. Then we need... Oh! Hot banana. Oh, maybe I cut it first. But do I have to deny? It's just for time reasons, and I have so much money. I don't need to do like the stuff I don't need for quests, and especially it also like uses up my resources where I have to like drive to other islands again to grab those again. So yeah, I'm trying to focus a little bit for the stream's sake on the stuff we actually need to like do here. Sanyo, maybe not. I did not get more surface area yet. I mean, I have a package somewhere, I think. Whatever. How much do I gain the 6 Legends? Oh, I liked it a lot. I love it a lot. I can't wait to play more of it. And I'm very excited already. I know a few friends have by now finished the game over the weekend. And we're like super excited about it. But I do have to request to like try and not spoil anything, because I really, really, really wanna like experience the game like blindly. And it has been a great journey so far. Okay, we got the bananas. Let's go with the apple for next. Spectre blind. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, it's gonna be on Friday again. We need more ingredients. I really ran out of space here. Oh, wait, I can put it on the top of the pole. The pole, perfect. Oops. Okay, gonna put some oranges on top here. No, I put it in the salad. No! Okay, more oranges and a banana. Let's go. No, we already have a banana. What can we add on top? Blueberries. We already have blueberries. Let's go with these. Yo, take care, Ray. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. And yeah, maybe see you later then. Thank you for the hydrate and the stretch. The Dirk sandwich. Is that a sandwich for the Dirk, or wait? This is one sandwich, I tell you. I hope they like it. Woohoo! I think they do. I know. Winsunder do be the amazing one behind this game. Your vision with the dish was clear. Thank you for a remarkable experience. Yo, let's go. Okay. I think I freed this one from ice. Now the stalls truly reflect the quality of edible experiences one can come to expect from this festival. Ice free. Are you ready to start an experience that transcends expectations? Wait, did we finish this questline already? Oh, that was quick. Oh, we might be able to. Oh, I'm still holding the knife in one paw. Oh, the Northern Lights! Oh my goodness, pretty! I really hope I get to see those one day as well. This is acceptable. Just as expected. Who am I kidding, chef? This is all I ever wanted. A dream come true. Please give me a moment. Oh, chef, I will not lie. I am proud of what you have accomplished. I'm sure Grandma would feel the same. I think you have deserved to learn more of my history with Grandma. We used to be best friends, a couple of foodies, hungry for culinary adventure. I was interested in food on a deeper level, while Grandma was the very best at preparing it. When she got the fruit bus, I wanted to push her excellence. But her food was so legendary that I started doubting my relevance. My critique became an abstract soup of insecurities. One day, I went too far and called her food trash. She responded by serving me a plate full of garbage. Looking back at it now, it was a rather artistic and amusing response. But back then I was livid. So I slammed her dishes in all of my reviews. It ruined her business along with our friendship. I'm surprised she still invited me to her farewell feast after everything I did. But that was Grandma. She always focused on the big picture. I will gladly attend the feast, chef. I look forward to it. Aww. Oh, they want to sell it. Okay, let's take a look. What's missing now from the quests? The food critic. The food festival. Serve at the food festival. Okay, we just gotta do the stuff here now. And then I think we might be ready for the final. Okay. Yo, oh no, my fluff! No, it will get cold this way. Ah! Interesting scan. Also, I hope I can go and steal bowls here again. I can steal some ingredients, I see. Any of you have any bowls? Bowls? Can I steal your bowl? I think we ran out of bowls. This would be awkward. Usually, I have them like lying around somewhere here. Oh no. Did I really go into the food festival without having any kind of dish, like bowls prepared? Well, do we have one in here? We have like cups. Yeah, okay, that's not... I think we can still... Not the bowls. Also, Byler! Yeah, welcome in. Let me just take another quick look if there is any kind of bowls here. And I mean, they are right there. I can see them in the display there. It's just that I can't reach them. What a shame. Super busy doing things. Oh, I hope it's going well. I hope it's going well, Byler. Okay. Let's serve him something random. Maybe we could have actually like made the right thing, but not quite right. I will try again tomorrow. Please tell me. Ah, you want a bowl too? Ah, this really sucks. Oh my goodness. Game. I should have bought bowls. Well, I mean, we have the money. We don't. It would have just been additional money. I know. Everyone wants something out of the bowl. Ah, that is a shame. Like all the other festivals, they had like something on the, like some bowls lying around. What's Grandma got to say?
Time to say goodbye, Pumpkin. Are you ready?
Oh, okay. It seems we can actually like finish the game. Ah, but look at them. They got all some kind of food from somewhere. Shall we conclude the food festival? Yeah, let's go. And I think we get to actually conclude the game on day 99. At the end of our stream, I think it's time we end this game. Oh, look, she's glowing orange now. Let me actually save here. All right, everyone, let's go. The final feast. No, without the knife. But before we do that, let me buy bowls. We are learning from our mistakes, right? I'm gonna buy all the bowls and all the plates. I'm gonna be so prepared. I think that's everything. Because we still have like the others, yeah. All the bowls. I need a hammer for that. Hammer. Because that's how you unpack things. With a hammer. There we go. Also, I love the beans here. Anyways. Let's go.
I suppose it's time.
Oh, we're back to Bananas. Bananas. Bananas? Bananas. What? Bowls? Oh my god. So many bowls. Oh, thank you, Tip. Oh my goodness. For the gift subs here. Oh my god. More friends. You are really good with those snipes. You got Yearn, you got Weiston, you got Deer, you got Toaster Thief, and you got Balasar. Thank you so much. You're so generous, honestly. I appreciate it, really. Look at that. What do we have here?
Morris is always stressed about something, aren't they? Sometimes I worry for their heart. It's so big, but so
Oh, it's the
busy.
banana topper. What do we have here?
I wish Sheldon nothing but a good life. They
Oh, it's the one.
doing whatever their heart desires.
It's the hermits.
I
Yeah.
hope they see that someday. I might be known for my love of food, but
That's the food
son loves it
critic.
so much I can't even keep up sometimes. And don't get me started on their knickknacks. Who can keep up with that?
Balasar, it was Rare Tip who got you the gifts up.
Ray always seems to play the tunes we happen to be
But
in
we
the
can
mood
also
for.
always thank Jörn for being an lovable,
Now be quiet for a
adorable
second.
noodle.
The weather report is about to start. Jet is as soft and sweet as they come. I hope they find someone who treats them as well as they do others.
Aww.
I will never understand Kendall and the rest of those.
Yeah, the LARPers. Oh my
But I'm
goodness.
happy as
We
long as
were
they are
looking
happy.
forever for that artifact.
I wish Denise inherited some of my love for the
Oh, that's from
franchise.
our mom.
But I guess it skips a generation, huh?
Beans.
Beans! Ah, thank you for the
I wouldn't
biddies.
expect anything less.
Aw, look at them. Oh. Grandma's bravery to follow her passion always inspired me. Her teaching about food can be applied to all aspects of life. I will think of her everywhere I go. It's an honor to say farewell to a fellow chef with another one right by my side. Grandma was so cool. You're cool too. Grief truly can be as heavy as millstone. Goodbyes aren't easy, huh? I'm just glad to be surrounded by good friends. Honestly saying. You did a good job bringing us together. I wish Grandma was still here. Oh, here I go crying again. There's so much wacky stuff happening around us all the time, it's hard to keep track of what matters. Grandma knew how. I bet she could tell me all about potatoes and shrines and things. Yo, oh my goodness, your first sub! Why is that? Oh my god, Avon! Thank you, Avon, for the 5 gift subs as well. Oh my god. Oh, what is happening? Oh, thank you. You got MDL Rec, Didos Polar Chan. You got Nathaniel Antika. Oh, thank you so much, Avon. Mwah. What does it mean? It means you don't get any ads and that you can use the emotes from my stream. All right, let's continue here. You're so brave, and it seems like your grandma was as well. I guess sometimes it runs in the family, and sometimes not, and that's okay. I wish Grandma was still around. She could teach me how to be nice instead of accidentally being a rebel instead. This is beautiful, even more beautiful than carrots. I'm really sorry for your loss. This is worse than every pineapple shortage ever combined. Oh, darling, this farewell feast is simply beautiful. You have really gone above and beyond for your grandmother. Grandma might not have fully understood us, but she was a good person. She will be missed. Grandma drove me home after one of our lab sessions once because it was getting dark. People who make one feel safe are rare. I'm really going to miss her. Grandma was a force unto herself. Our islands will be a little bit more empty without her. Then again, in her stead, we got you. Ah, get all the ginger lemon tea, Avon. And thank you again. It's strange to think that Grandma thought she had to hide the broken topper from me. I'd never even dare pestering her about something like that. Oh, crud, I'm really going to miss her. I hope Grandma knows how much I regret the way I acted, Chef. She truly was one of a kind. I was proud to call her my best friend, and I will miss her every day. Ever since I stopped listening to my coin, I felt so much more free. I think Grandma always meant well. She just had her own way of solving problems. One time, Grandma called in to give a shout-out to Lemons. She was also always so funny. I will try to make up for what I did to Grandma by spreading as many good vibes as possible forever. Aww. Grandma didn't always try to understand us, but we don't hold it against her. She had her passion, and we have ours. Not everyone has to get it. We will remember her kindness and her confused smiles fondly. I really liked your grandma all the way to the end. I hoped she would one day feel the same. I will honor her memory by doing what it takes to move on. A pursuit of my own happiness, if you will. I've been so fixated on the bad parts that I'd all but forgotten how much my mother meant to me. I wish I could have had just one more day with her. Now, all we can do is remember her. Warts and all. Thank you for helping me remember the good times. I didn't realize how much she cared. Ah, alright. Yo, look at our fruit bus here. Still filled with fruits. Ah, and here she is. Ah. There's a pineapple in the background. Let's go.
I suppose it's time to say goodbye, Pumpkin. Just like every good meal has to end eventually, so must our time together. But I want you to know that I treasured every moment I shared with you. No matter if you become an astronaut, take over the old fruit bus, or anything else in the world, I know that you will do great. Because you're as tough and as sweet as a pineapple. Pumpkin makes for a better nickname, though. Give your mother a big hug for me when I get home. I'm so happy she's finally better.
Aww.
You will both be with me, always.
Ah, there we go. Ah, and also thank you, Vertip, for the bitties there. I'm not stinky like a durian. Coffee. Also, we are lagging a little bit, I know. Ah, there we go. Ah, yo, and there's the game. There is the game. It was very lovely. What a wonderful game. Aww. Also, it's very loud. Let me turn it down just a little bit. It was a wonderful experience. Really, I did not expect this from this game. Ryoku actually like gifted it to me, thinking like it would be fun, like a food truck kind of simulator game. But then it turned out to be much, much deeper than expected, like with story and all, with exploration, with questing, and yeah, some silly humor as well. So if you haven't played Fruit Bus before, it's really a chill time. I can recommend. Wonderful game. Yo! Took us quite some while to actually finish this one. I think we went for a few months with this. Did I ever played a Little Dragon Cafe? I'm not sure. I don't think so. I know what you mean, Laner. But yeah, I'm looking forward to what we are gonna play next instead. There are so many possibilities. I can't wait. That's like always the sad and the happy part about like finishing a game. Even with the banana topper here, look at it. We got to stop playing one game, but we get to play a new one. It's always exciting. Yo! And I got an achievement for that. You have earned it. And I think what the game does now, it like actually like. Let's just see what happens here. Welcome to Noto Sailor. If you see chat, you should say hi. There's a crocodile with a cool head like mine and heart of gold. Tell him a furry captain sent you. Your keys are in the ignition, so you can go whenever you're ready. Thanks again for the food. Feels nice too. Wait, are we basically back at the beginning of the game? I think we kind of are. It like lets us complete 100% if we want to. Yeah, all right. Having the weirdest deja vu right now. All right. But I think we are finished here. New game plus, maybe. Let's just quickly check the town and see what happens. See. Okay, no, I think it's just a game basically like letting us free roam here. So I think this is our time to say goodbye to our fruit bus and hop over to the Cozy Corner Cafe where we are gonna look for someone to raid as we have been going on for a while. All right, let me save here and then I'm gonna take you all over. See you all over there. Mwah. No, Pebbles with the unfortunate timing with the beans there, but don't worry, Pebbles. You get the free beans. Yay! Beans! Oh my goodness. But yeah, thank... Lena. Too many beans. But yeah, thank you everyone for joining today. It was a super lovely, cozy time. Thank you for the new hoodie, Drazen. I know the beginning was very chatty, but that was just as lovely as all of you are. And yeah, let me just say thank you for joining the Fruit Bus. I can't wait to like look into what we are gonna play next instead. But yeah, make sure to tune in on Friday as we are gonna continue 6 Legends there, which I'm super excited about. It's a game with 6 very cute dragons and even more dragons and dragons. So be ready for that. And yeah. Try to be there. Yes! That would be lovely. That would be lovely. And thank you for the hydrate there. That's good to hear that you had fun watching. Yeah, let me just say thank you again for everyone here with the contributions. Of course, everyone for being here. Always. Either if it doesn't matter if lurker or chatter, everyone is always very much appreciated here. But also, let me say thank you, Vertip, for the gift subs, for the pities here, for everything. Very generous of you today. Then also Avon with the 5 gift subs, also super generous, thank you. Trazen with the resub here. We have Bryn with the raid. We have Pebbles with the pities. We have Rio with the resub. We have Parsi with the gift sub. We have Norek with the resub. Oh my goodness. And I think that's it. But yes, thank you everyone. Very, very lovely of you. And yeah, we're gonna look for a cutie to raid now. Let's see who is streaming. Oh, quite a selection. Quite a selection there. While we have the tail. Let's see. Oh, let's see. What are they up to? Oh, how about a cozy art stream? I think that sounds lovely. Let's visit Tikri. Let's visit Touch Scaly Tail. Cute Kobold is currently drawing, and yeah. Let's see. Let's see. What's gonna be our raid message? Always touch the Scaly Tail. That. No, that's what can we do as a raid message? I'm always let's just go with a fruity a dragon raid. And let's go with the gamer one here. That's gonna be a raid message. Copy that message. Feel free to post it as soon as we raid in, and enjoy your time over there. And yeah, as always, stay cute. I love you all, and see you on Friday, hopefully. Bye bye. Cupidity, yes.